You're like a little old man.
You think it's funny?
Mm.
He likes iPhone.
Good boy. Good.
Oh, that's good. Oh, there's a little smile. There's a little smile.
I think you got heavier since I saw you at lunchtime. Make this face.
Oh, he looks pretty happy.
Yeah, you're so heavy. Okay, he's ready for you. He's ready to sleep.